Hello, first grade. Welcome back one more time to our science class. Today we're going to have a little review about what is sound. Listen, what sounds do you hear? Sound is a kind of energy you hear. Let's listen. We pop a balloon, it's a sound. If Miss Osiris is screaming, it's a sound. Meow! The air conditioner makes a sound. And the bell makes a sound too. Celia is very upset today. She is also making a sound. Sound is made when an object vibrates. And to vibrate is to move quickly back and forth. Please open your science textbook to page 402. It's time to work, first grade. You are going to complete the brain check on your own. The instruction says, unscramble the word to compare each sentence. What words do we have? Pitch, sound, vibrate, loudness. In number 1, as you can see, the word is not written down correctly. So what do you need to do? You are going to look for the correct word and you are going to write it down on the lines. Once you finish, please send pictures of your work to my email. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!